Good morning, students. I am Riya Sinha, your SST teacher. Today, we are going to revise our first chapter of geography, that is environment. Environment is a word taken from a French word environner, which means neighborhood. If you will look around in your home, there are lots of things like tables, chairs, bed, utensils, boxes, plants, other family members, etc. All are part of your environment. It means everything that surround any living organism like people, things, nature, any kind of other non-living thing is called environment. Now see the diagram carefully given in page number 2. Components of environment. There are mainly 3 components of environment. First is natural environment. Those components which are already present in our nature are known as natural environment. These are of 4 types. First is lithosphere. Lithosphere is also known as the sphere of land. Second is atmosphere. All the layers of air present in our earth's surface is known as atmosphere. Or we can also say like blanket of air is known as atmosphere, which surrounds our earth. Third is hydrosphere. Hydro, it means water. So it is the sphere of water. All the water bodies of this planet come under hydrosphere. Fourth is the most important natural environment known as biosphere. Biosphere is a narrow zone where land, water and air interacts with each other and provide a life-sustaining environment in which all the living organism can survive. In short, a sphere which provide a living environment or where all the flora and fauna can survive easily is known as biosphere. Second component of environment is human-made environment. Human-made environment means all those components which are made by human beings like parks, buildings, industries, roads, bridges, etc. All the things which are present in our environment which are made by human beings, which are made by us for our needs are known as human-made environment. Third component of environment is human environment. Human beings interact with the environment and modify it according to their need with the help of education, healthcare, technology, etc. and made several new things like politics, religion, economy, family, etc. These are not present in our nature already. We have added them in our society. We human beings made it as a part of our life, our society. So there is a difference between human-made environment and human environment. Human-made environment contains all the components of environment which are made by human beings. And human environment means all those type of things which surrounded the human and made its environment fulfill. So these 3 components are of environment. As we know, environment is a combination of natural and human-made phenomenon. So on this basis, environment is divided into 2 types. First is biotic environment and the second is abiotic environment. All the living organism belongs to biotic environment. Example, plants and all the animals. And if we talk about abiotic environment, then all the non-living elements come under abiotic environment. Example, land, buildings, bridges, roads, mountains, etc. Now, I hope that you all understand the meaning of environment, its components and its kinds. Environment is our basic life support system. It provides the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat and the land where we live. Everything which are present in our surrounding can make up our environment. It has three components. First is natural, second is human made and third is human. It has two kinds or types, that is biotic and abiotic. The world of all living organisms is called biotic and the world of non-living elements is known as abiotic. So now we will discuss about natural environment. All those components which are given us by nature are known as natural environment, like land, water, air, etc. There are some domains of our environment which are as follows: lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. First is lithosphere. The solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth is called lithosphere. It is made up of rocks and minerals and covered by a thin layer of soil. Means in the earth where we live, or all the land part is known as lithosphere. Second domain is hydrosphere. Hydro word is taken from hydrogen and from the combination of hydrogen and oxygen, that is H2O, is known as water. So the domain of water on the earth is called hydrosphere. It comprises various sources of water and various water bodies. Next domain is atmosphere. The thin layer of air that surrounds the earth is called atmosphere. And the last and most important domain is biosphere. The narrow zone of the earth where land, water and air interact with each other to support life is called biosphere. Plants and animals together make biosphere. So come to the next topic, ecosystem. What is ecosystem? Ecosystem is a system formed by the interaction of all living organisms with each other and with the physical and chemical factors of environment in which they live, all linked by transfer of energy and material. In short, the relation or interdependency between living organisms as well as the relation between the organisms and their surroundings form an ecosystem. Now come to our next topic, that is human environment. Human beings interact with the environment and modify it according to their needs. Early humans adapted themselves to the natural surroundings. Then people learned to grow crops, domesticate animals and led a settled life. But after some time, wheel was invented, surplus food was produced and barter system emerged or started. Barter system. Barter system means a trade in which goods are exchanged without the use of money. Earlier it was used, but after some time trade and commerce developed a lot and human made their environment according to their need, which emerged as human environment. So now we have completed this chapter. I hope all the concepts are clear in your mind.
Now I am going to give you all a homework in which you all have to read the chapter properly and learn these definitions. Learn it properly for your practice test. In the next class, we will revise exercises of this chapter. Till then, stay at home and stay safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.